How to hide location in your profile on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide location in your profile on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then just click this three lines in the top corner and then click settings, and now just click privacy, and here we'll find hide location in profile. And now your location has been hidden, and that's it. This is of course, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.